We are living such a wonderful time. Censorship is possibly at the lowest point in the Western world. As of here, in the Silicon Valley, one's person limitation is his or her commitment, dedication, perseverance. The Western world is now submitted to the increasing diarrhea of the consciousness. I am part of this conundrum. I embrace it, I learn to love it, to shape it, to make fun of it. My day starts with bright colors. Pink, orange, blue. The pulse of urban life is impregnating anything and everything. It is overpowering the senses. It can make you feel dizzy, angry, envious, and jealous. As I film the city is part of me. As I close my eye, the urban landscape does not go away. Trees, flowers, grass, has been carefully placed into squares, rectangles, circles, ovals, ellipses. Straight lines are everywhere. Bees, birds, deer are not to be found where I live. Nature is to be dominated. Death and its alternatives are everywhere and every corner. Moving metal cages on wheels. And like other parts of the world, the pulse of the city is everywhere. Red, orange, green. The three hands going full circle. It is very hard to describe the importance of time in the Western world. It has been integrated to our life to such an extent that we don't question it anymore. The rhythm is increasing by the seconds as the alternative world. The frame of work which allows me to speak and broadcast it is seamlessly redefining communication. This is the world of the wallpost. The Twitter, the hashtag, the query. F5. 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 Sexuality is now downloadable to your heart contempt. Anytime. Any place. Anywhere. Tiny plastic slabs of technology has given us the capability to like and dislike instantaneously. Television became a commodity. Internet not just yet. Wireless communication has revolutionized the way we communicate. 140 characters at a time. As of yet, humanity hasn't been able to back up consciousness. IT systems such as Watson are barely able to recognize natural language, syntaxes and simple problems such as Siri, torrent black videography. Not just yet. But we will be there. We are stuck in the user interface era.